Hi, I'm Loni Lewis, and I'm the owner of Bar Black, and we're here at Tandem Coffee and Spirits on Bay Street, and we're going to be making a mocktail called Keys to the Kingdom. This mocktail is going to be a super savory mocktail that has a reuse purpose for olive brine as well as chickpea brine that you find in the can. So we're going to start off with some lemon juice, and we're going to go at 0.25 ounces of lemon juice. We have aquafaba, which is chickpea brine, that liquid that's in the chickpea can. It acts as a foaming agent in cocktails, so you can have a nice viscosity to your mocktail so it tastes like a cocktail. And then we're gonna go with 0.25 ounces of olive brine, which is gonna give it like a salty, like earthy flavor. And then we're gonna go in with 0.5 ounces of simple syrup, because we want a little bit of sweet just to boost the flavor of all the other ingredients. And then we're gonna go in with 2 ounces of orange juice, because you need a little vitamin C, right? All that is in the cocktail tin. We're gonna add a little bit of ice. Give it a nice shake. Our cocktail glass is nice and chilled. And then we're gonna do a double strain into our beautiful antique cocktail glass. And here you have Keys to the Kingdom.